Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will see how to update the practice profile to make it easier for your existing clients to find you on ibooked.com and attract new clients. We will start in the practice homepage where we left off at the end of the last tutorial. This time, click on the Practice Profile tab. Under Biography, you can add a tagline for your practice and a short description. Click the green pencil icon to start editing and the Save button to finish. Now click on the Image tab. You can upload multiple profile images for your practice to showcase it. Click the green pencil icon to begin. Select an image or images to upload. Click Save to upload them. Click on the FAQ tab. This is where you can enter a series of frequently asked questions about your business and the answer. Click on the Hours tab. Here you can enter the business opening hours. Click Save to finish.